throughout the day you are going to be under some pressure anyway, but we will see that things go very smoothly. There is no lady this batch, unfortunately. Usually there used to be one or two. And gentlemen, I, Anil Gopinath, on behalf of OSHA and the respective institutions you represent, welcome each one of you for this 3 days training program, which will obviously elevate your knowledge in international safety standards. The aim of this course is basically to build you up as a future safety officers. Whatever knowledge you have, the OSHA, through this 30-hour program, it will introduce you to, I mean, you will feel proud, your neck will be high, that yes, now I feel as a professional safety officer, certified by OSHA. And things will be very smooth, and I will look into that, you don't feel bored. Gentlemen, the first topic for this OSHA 30 hours class will be HSE management system. In this HSE management system, we are going to give you a concrete idea on what is safety, why safety is required, what is the benefit out of safety, and how safety can be managed. Okay? So step by step, we are going to give you a clear-cut picture why safety is important, and if safety is important, how to implement that, how to be a safety manager, what are the duties and responsibilities, how we are going to implement the safety standards, what are the inspections, investigations we are going to conduct. All these things we will discuss in this topic. To begin with, let me put you a question. If you are working as a safety officer, what is the output expected from you by the company? Anybody? What is the output expected out of you by the company? Suppose you are a safety officer. What can you give back to the company for your payment? Yeah?
100% safety.
100% safety means what? Zero accidents. Good. Means what? Protecting lives or what? I am asking, they are paying you salary for you as a safety officer. See, like a marketing manager. If I am a marketing manager, the company will give me a target. Okay, sell. What is the output? End of the day, what is the output you can give back to your company?
Zero LTI.
Zero LTI. You are coming very close.
Improve the production.
Improving production. How? One word I want.
Profit. Freedom.
Freedom of accidents. Yes, good. But all these things basically ensure one thing. What you actually giving back to the company is safe man hours. What is it? Don't forget. What you have to give back to the company is nothing but safe man hours. Safe man hours. This is very important. Maximum safe man hours. Now what is man hours? Okay, listen. Suppose I appoint this man as a welder in my company. I am appointing this person as a welder at a salary of rupees 15,000 per month. This is the salary I am fixing for him. My company, as per international law, we can work one shift is equal to 8 hours. Correct? 8 hour work, 8 hour rest, 8 hours sleep. This we all know because we are Malayalis. We know this mudra working. So 8 hours only you can take output from any worker. So this worker will work for me 8 hours per day. And suppose my factory, on an average, it works for 20 days a month. In a month, it works for 20 days. That means, in a month, this worker should give me 20 into 8 is equal to 160 hours of work, for which I am paying him rupees 15,000. Correct or not? For getting 160 hours of welding or work from this man, I am paying him 15,000 rupees. That is called salary. So what the company wants from is this hours. This is called man hours. And if he is able to perform this work for 160 hours, we call it safe man hours. Each 1 hour worked by this person is called safe man hours. So this is for one person. Think about 10,000 people. Think about 15,000 people working in a project. Each man's hour is counted. Now, in a opposite scenario, just think that this guy, he came and joined my factory, he worked for 3 days, he meets with an accident. Now today is 8th. 8th he met with accident, taken to hospital, he is admitted. 9th he is admitted, 10th admitted, 11th admitted, 12th admitted, 13th discharged, out. Now I lose him, we calculate LTA, that is called LTA, I come to that, we start calculating LTA from the next day. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 days lost. 4 working days lost means 4 into 8 is equal to 32 hours, man hours is lost. End of the month, I have to pay him 15,000. I cannot cut his salary because this injury is work related. Correct or not? So I have to pay him the 15,000 rupees. But I did not get the complete 160 hours. I got 32 hours less from this man. That is one loss. I lost 32 hours work, number 1. Number 2, I have to pay for his medical expenses. The complete hospital charge the company has to pay. Number 2. Loss number 2. Loss number 3. Investigation. Police will come. And when police come, you know, we have to pay for all their charges, everything, that expense. Legal problems. Suppose this man is very smart, he go and file a suit for more compensation. There are some jokers, they do this. They go and file complaint against the company to get more than what they are. Now I have to fight the case. Then, last but not the least, lost man hours. To cover this 32 hours, what I will do, I will not stop the work. I will put some other person overtime. For him I have to pay double salary. Correct or not? To cover, because for me there is a target. I have to achieve the target. To achieve the target, one man is admitted, I will not stop my work. I will put this pressure on other man, put him on overtime, but I give him double payment. So totally how much loss? So just imagine, 1 man hour lost is 4 times, 5 times loss for the company. But 1 man hour saved is total profit. So you are the people who will save man hours. That is why they celebrate 1 million, 2 million, the Gulf people know. 1 million man hours achieved means they will spend 1 lakh rupees for party. They don't mind because the company has already achieved many lakhs. Each man hours lost is tremendous loss for the company. Whereas each man hour saved is total profit for the company. In all aspects. So safety department is the one department which will ensure that maximum safe man hour is achieved. That is the objective of safety department. That is the purpose of safety department. How we do that? That is our job. Getting me? So the one thing when you are appointed as safety officer, the first thing you must know is your job is to save man hours. How you do, that is separate. Each man hour saved is our achievement and each man hours lost is our failures. Because that is why this concept is now migrated to HSC. Health. If the worker is not healthy, he will not come for work. Don't think only accident produces lost man hours. Even illness produces lost man hours. If a man is not well, he will go and get admitted in the hospital. Correct or not? And if that is work related, you have to pay for that. So, we are not doctors to treat anybody's illness, but we are supervisors or managers who will see that the working environment does not make my worker ill. Like 40 welders are working in your factory, they are not using mask. Take for granted, another 5 years, 40% of these people will be lung cancer patients. It is already proved. He will start coughing, going to secret port and get admitted. 2 days, 3 days. You lose man hours also and you lose experience also. Had you provided a simple mask or welding mask,